Yesterday I have given some questions. So have you done that, or do you have any query? Okay. So I will explain that questions, and some more questions are there. Okay. So tell me which questions you are asking. So actually here the numbers are different. You tell the question only. Just wait a minute. Which one?
Cos A upon 1 minus tan A plus sin A upon 1 minus cot A.
Tell me the question. Cos
A upon 1 minus tan A.
Cos A upon.
Cos A
Okay. Cos A
upon 1 minus tan A.
1 minus tan A
plus sin A
plus sin
A upon 1 minus cot A.
Okay. And
equal to sin A plus cos A.
equals to sin A. Okay, this is one question, and then
Second question is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta.
1 by sec theta minus.
Tan theta.
Okay, these two questions. Okay, and Akshay, you have done these two. Okay, so see that here what we can do. In this question only, first we have to change these things. Okay, then we have to see which formula it is forming. So according to that we have to solve this. So we are trying to solve this. See this solution here. This is cos A upon 1 minus, we can change this. It will be sin A upon cos A, right? Similarly here, this is sin A upon 1 minus cos A by sin A. Okay, so first step is this. We are changing this into sin and cos. Okay, so now see that this is your cos A, and here we can take the LCM, that is cos A, and it will be cos A minus sin A. Similarly here, this is your sin A, and we can take the LCM, so it will be sin A minus cos A upon sin A, right? Okay, see here, now it will comes here, so it will be cos A square A upon cos A minus sin A. Similarly, it will be sin square A upon sin A minus cos A. Fine? Till here is fine. Now see here, it is cos A minus sin A, and here it is sin A minus cos A. So if you want to take the LCM, so it must be same. So we can take negative common here, so it will be cos A minus sin A. So let's see. This is your cos square A, and here it will be minus sin square A. Okay, and this is your cos A minus sin A, and this is also cos A minus sin A. Fine? See that what we have done here, because for taking the LCM, both must be same here. So this is cos A minus sin A, but this is sin A minus cos A. So if we take negative as common, so what we will do? It will be cos A positive and it will be minus. So, okay, so that negative sign we have put here. Okay, so it will be cos A minus sin A. Now both are same, so we can take this LCM. So let's see here, we are taking LCM as cos A minus sin A, right? This is the LCM. Same thing is there. So it will be cos square A minus sin square A minus sin square A. Right? So now A square minus B square, we know A plus B means cos A plus sin A, and A minus B, so cos A minus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A. Okay, so these will cancel out, so we will get cos A plus sin A. That we have to prove only. Okay, so LHS equals to RHS. Hence proved. Fine. So this is the only thing that first step I told you, whenever it's given in the form of tan and cot, so we try to make it into the form of sin and cos. Okay, then only just see the mathematics rules, what we can do. Okay, we don't know what we are doing, but we know that simple mathematics rules, like we have to take the LCM, and according to that what we are going to do. And now here, till here to everybody can do, but the main thing is that now what we will do. If we are taking LCM, this and this also, so it will not come. That I am telling you. So we should try to make this equal, simple. Okay. So for that only what we have done, we have taken just minus common. It will be same like this. That minus we are taking common. It is putting here. Right. So now we can solve this. Okay. Got it? You want to note down this or shall I? Okay, fine. So now your second question. Mathematics. This is a rule of mathematics. When you solve the question, then it's very simple. If you are not unable to solve that, then it's very tough. Okay. Okay, now see this one. So actually one more thing I want to tell here, these type of questions, how we will solve. There is one more logic, these type of questions. So let's see that. You know this identity of secant tan, right? You know 1 plus tan square theta is equals to, right? Okay. So what changes we can do here? 1 is equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? Okay, now 1 equals to a square minus b square, so we can write it sec theta plus tan theta whole into sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, fine.
So what?
We are changing this identity. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Fine. So we can see that if we are taking this down, sec theta plus tan theta, so we will get sec theta minus tan theta. So what does it show? We can replace sec theta minus tan theta by the reciprocal of its conjugate. Okay, sec theta plus tan theta. So 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta, directly we can write sec theta minus tan theta, or 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, directly we can write plus tan theta, right? Same identity. This is the one, the same one, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec, right? So 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosec. That already you have learned. So from that also we can find the same property. So directly I am writing that 1 upon cosec A minus cot A, this will equals to cosec A plus cot A. Fine. Okay, so whenever these type of things are there, so we can change according to our questions where we have to solve this. Okay, so cosec A plus cot A, 1 upon cosec A minus cot A. The first thing is that cosec A plus cot A, and here also cosec A minus cot A. We can't write like cot A minus cosec A. So cosec will come first. Okay. Similarly here sec will come first. So sec minus tan. sec minus tan A. Okay, so these identity we have to use here. Understood now? If you want to write this, or you can write, otherwise if you understood, so no problem. Okay, now see this question. So this is in the form of sine and cos. See that, please try to understand these questions. These are very important questions, and there is one concept only here. See, these are sine and cos forms, and this is the identity that we are looking here. This is the second tan identity. So we will try to make it into the form of second tan. Yes. So what we will do? We will divide this by
Sine. This cos. We divide by cos.
We will divide this by cos. Okay, so dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. Fine. So let's see this. This is your sin theta. This is minus cos theta plus 1. Okay, so we are dividing this by cos theta. So this is cos theta. This is cos theta. This is cos theta. Similarly here, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So dividing by cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. Fine. So sin by cos is tan. This is tan theta. These two will cancel out. So it will be minus 1. And 1 by cos is sec theta. Okay. Similarly here sin by cos, tan theta. This cos will cancel out. So plus 1. And this is sec theta. Okay. Now we have converted that into tan and sec. So now we will see that identity, tan plus sec. So we can write here like this is your tan theta plus sec theta, and minus 1 I am writing here. Similarly, you can write like this, tan theta plus this is no problem here, so you can write as it is. Okay. Nothing, just only I have shifted this tan theta plus sec theta. I have written nearly. Okay, and this one is here. So now we know that since tan theta plus sec theta is equals to 1 by sec we are writing first, sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, sec plus tan, 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So we are changing this. Okay, so now see here. So tan theta plus sec theta, we can write 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Then this is minus 1. And here in the denominator, we will not change anything. So we just write it as it is. Tan theta plus 1 and minus sec theta. Okay, so now take the LCM here. This is nothing, this 1. So we are taking this sec theta minus tan theta. So here it is 1, and here minus sec theta, and minus minus plus tan theta. Understood? And here in the denominator the same thing is there. That is tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. So the numerator and the denominator both are same, because 1 is positive, 1 is positive, tan is positive, tan positive, sec minus, sec minus. So we will cancel this whole term. So what we will get? 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So this is your proof. This we have to prove on. Understood?
I got the tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 is there, na?
What?
I got the layer part, but then after that I
Acha, tell her. So actually you don't know that concept. Okay, now you got it. So you can solve these type of questions. So I will give you one more question. Okay, you can see the problem. See this. or you can write the solution, otherwise you will forget this. Okay, first write the solution properly, write it. Then I will give some more questions.